So I was just chilling in my garage, and I was a little bit ago I was gifted these left-handed golf clubs, and so I was just messing around with this play. So I was, swinging and just mess around with it. And I was like, yeah, this is kind of boring. And so I remembered I have a 3D printer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna print a golf ball that I can use on this 3D printer. Okay, so I found this file on printables. It's a golf ball. Golf ball is done printing, so let's test it out. Alright. Dang, it prints pretty well. Alright. Yeah, but this is a little bit boring. Alright, I think I have an idea. I'm gonna print a hole so I can use it to hit the ball into. Let's go. I found this hole also on printables, and I'm gonna print this one out. So the hole is done. So I'm just gonna set it down right over here. Alright. So I'll set the ball right here. That's our distance right here. Alright. Okay. Okay. Gosh dang it. Okay, let's try to make this one. Dang, I'm so close. Just gonna scoot it out because I can't hit it like that, so. Okay. I'm just gonna set it. Okay. Okay. Whatever. But it did work. And I just have one thing to say. This is my first video. I'm probably gonna be posting daily. I don't know yet. But I'm gonna be trying to post daily, so stay tuned. And most of my videos are going to be pre-recorded, other than the ones on the weekends. Those I got recorded right before this, like this one. So yeah, peace out, guys. See you guys.